Psalm 6. Tears and Healing Light. O Lord, rebuke me not in thine anger, neither chasten me in thy hot displeasure. Have mercy upon me, O Lord, for I am weak. O Lord, heal me, for my bones are vexed. My soul is also sore vexed, but thou, O Lord, how long? Return, O Lord, deliver my soul. O save me for thy mercy's sake. For in death there is no remembrance of thee. In the grave who shall give thee thanks? I am weary with my groaning all the night. Make I my bed to swim. I water my couch with my tears. Mine eye is consumed because of grief. It waxeth old because of all mine enemies. Depart from me, all ye workers of iniquity. For the Lord hath heard the voice of my weeping. The Lord hath heard my supplication. The Lord will receive my prayer. Let all mine enemies be ashamed and sore vexed. Let them return and be ashamed suddenly. Devotional Meditation. This is the first of the 7 penitential psalms, offered from the heart of one overwhelmed by suffering, sickness, and the terror of abandonment. Yet it is not despair that speaks. It is the soul reaching for restoration from the light himself. This psalm invites us to bring our rawest wounds to the Lord, trusting not only his mercy but his nearness in the night of anguish. St. Gertrude once saw this psalm as a golden ointment applied to the bones and breath of the soul. It is especially suited for those praying over their own bodies or interceding for the suffering and dying. Here we engage in frequency-based healing, not only for ourselves, but for those crushed in spirit. Invocation of Activation. Merciful One, you see the bones that tremble. Anoint me with healing light. Let this psalm rise as balm upon the suffering. Surround those in torment with your angelic physicians. Speak into my marrow. Live. Amen.